Since AlphaGo has become famous in the chess world, Robot Advisor has made its presence in the financial world. The era of robot advisors to provide more efficient service is becoming a reality. Compared with traditional manual investing, LeapCloud Robot Advisor will provide investors with services that will streamline and make daily investment tasks a lot more organized, thus giving you the advantage when it comes to building a personal portfolio. With the application of big data, AI, financial algorithm, and other technologies, LeapCloud technology provides the first one-stop intelligent investment cloud platform service in the world for the public investors. The customer only needs to fill in a simple questionnaire survey for the first time when using LeapCloud. In addition to the robust big data analysis, financial model, and AI intelligent algorithm, the client will be recommended the best investment portfolio after an extensive evaluation. Customers can then see what their return is and adjust any factors accordingly. LeapCloud Portfolio Backtesting System selects special factors and weights to form a valuable custom stock portfolio. For example, to be a top 10 in a beauty contest, some factors may include posture, physical height, and the clothing they choose to wear, which will determine the judges' decisions. The principle of multi-factor stock selection model is similar. Once stock factor library has these factors for investors to choose from, then it will calculate for you the most relevant factors to make up your personal portfolio. LeapCloud Stock Analysis, which divides more than 3,000 stocks in China's A-share market into 120 industries and conduct potential analysis and ranking with more detailed industry segmentation as well as more accurate potential analysis. In a nutshell, it is easier for us to find the potential stocks in the industry we want to invest in. LeapCloud Robot Advisor helps you rank all the stocks higher than 60 points which may have more potential to rise, and those lower than 40 points which may likely drop. LeapCloud Robot Advisor analyzed more than 90,000 bonds issued in China to compare the newest valuations and quoted market price. Now that we have big data to figure out how much a bond is worth, you can compare that to the market price and think about whether that price is overestimated or underestimated. Then construct a simple, understandable, and popular valuation curve to analyze and compare with the bond's real value. Even if you're a green hand investor, you can use it easily. No staring, no investigation, and one click to set up your portfolio. LeapCloud's Big Data Center will update any information that is altered to your phone so that you can invest without worry. With LeapCloud's Robot Advisor, investing just became much easier. Go to www.leapcloud.cc, which is listed below, and use the multi-factor stock selection on your computer today. The mobile version will be coming soon. Please also subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you very much.